Whey protein is everywhere, from gym shelves to smoothie bars. But is it really the magic muscle powder it's made out to be? Or are there hidden downsides most people miss? Let's uncover the real science behind whey protein, its benefits, risks, and whether you actually need it. Whey protein comes from milk. It's the liquid that separates from curds during cheese production, then processed and dried into powder form. It's rich in essential amino acids, especially branched-chain amino acids, BCAAs, like leucine, which play a major role in muscle repair and growth. It's popular because it's a fast-digesting, high-quality protein source. Athletes, bodybuilders, and even older adults use it to support muscle recovery, weight management, and general nutrition, especially when dietary protein from food is insufficient. After you consume whey, your body quickly absorbs it, raising amino acid levels in the blood. This stimulates muscle protein synthesis, helping repair and build muscle tissue after exercise. It can also support immune function and satiety. Whey and creatine are often compared, but they're completely different. Whey provides the building blocks, amino acids, while creatine helps the muscles generate energy for short, intense bursts. Many athletes actually use both for best results. Mass gainers are high-calorie powders that combine protein with carbs and fats, meant for those who struggle to gain weight. Whey protein, on the other hand, is lean and ideal for maintaining or building muscle without excess calories. Studies show whey protein helps with muscle growth, fat loss, and recovery. However, overuse can lead to digestive issues like bloating or cramps, especially in people with lactose intolerance. Some commercial protein powders may contain added sugars, heavy metals, or artificial sweeteners, so choosing a reputable, tested brand is important. According to recent studies, moderate whey protein intake, around 20 to 30 grams after exercise, is safe for healthy adults. But relying solely on supplements isn't ideal. Whole foods like eggs, fish, dairy, and legumes should always be your primary protein source. If you struggle to meet your protein needs through diet, whey protein can be a convenient addition. But if you eat balanced meals, you may not need it at all. Talk to your doctor or a nutrition expert before starting supplements, especially if you have kidney issues, diabetes, or lactose intolerance.